Right then, welcome to Hib's Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to Happy Harvey Hibby too, our little Doxy Poo. Yes, he might look cute, he might look like a puppy, but don't be deceived. He's now 1 and 4 months old. Yes, Harvey is looking in the garden. All as you can see is flying badgers. By that I mean magpies. He thinks they're flying badgers, but anyway, they're not. They're actually magpies, aren't they? Right, so what we're going to cover this week is something really simple. I'm a really big fan of this red vermouth. You can actually buy this from Waitrose, I think possibly Sainsbury's, and it's actually a Spanish variation, and the notes of this are absolutely amazing. It's actually a tradition of the House of Lusto. Our wines, wormwood, gentian, coriander and oranges enhance the personality of this red vermouth. Now I know vermouth is really sort of French creation, maybe sort of bordering into Italy, but no, this is a Spanish variation and it's absolutely brilliant. I use this in my Manhattans, which is my absolute favourite cocktail, and you can do so many different variations of Manhattans. This is one of my favourite ones to do with that, and it's actually good to experiment with different red vermouths. You get different flavour profiles. So what we're going to cover is a recipe actually from Diffords, which is a really good app to use. You can do things like put in your own ingredients and find what to make. But yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. It also tells you cocktail of the day as well, or week. And this here is the Vermuttino, which yes, sounds very Italian. So basically you need 3 core ingredients, and from that you need the vermouth, and then you need soda. But in this case, I'm actually using this for London Essence, and it's a pink grapefruit crafted soda, which I've tried before and really complements this really well. To garnish, you can use a peel of some fresh lemon, which really does complement it. And then to serve this, you need like an old-fashioned glass, which it recommends, or just basically a wine glass. My wife has just bought these and from M&S, and actually really nice glasses. So first of all, just going to fill this with ice. I really like these ice cubes, which are just basically like beehive style, you know, hexagon ice cubes, which really do make a nice shape. So I'm just going to fill the glass with this. And basically this is really quite a nice cocktail to start off on, because it's quite watered down. Use plenty of ice. And also another essential tool is actually the bartender's spoon, which you can really sort of give it that sort of swirl. Harvey also likes ice cubes, so I'm just going to throw a Harvey one just to keep him entertained. He's going to go off running with that. He absolutely loves them. Then here we have, yes, the bartender's spoon, and you can hear Harvey crunching his ice cube. So now I'm just going to take a nice little bit of the zest peel from the lemon, and I don't want to go too deep into the skin. Slice there. If you don't like the sort of straight ones, you can do one that's actually just curling round. Get a nice little effect like that, and go round like so, or a straight one. And what you can do this is just to be able to draw out the essential oils from that. You can just almost just put a line down with a knife and just give it a bit of a scrape as well, just on the other side of the knife. Really brings that out. So I'm just going to put that into there. It's also very nice decoratively as well, as you can see. Then simply here is we're just going to pour out the measures. So we've got 150 ml of this. Just going to pour this into here. There's no third style, just sort of like so there, and 50 ml of this. So that's 3 of these. And actually this is just going to basically water down this along with the ice cubes, and if this is 15%, that's going to be half, so that's going to be about 7%. Quite a long drink. Yes, it may look a little bit like cola, but this is an absolute winner. It's an absolute brilliant cocktail to have on a Friday, or even on a lovely summer's day in general. It's not too strong. Wow, that's absolutely amazing. Really good. You can taste those essences of the lemon, but ultimately, yeah, the botanicals are not too strong. You can really taste the red wine, but also the wormwood as well is quite key here. And it's just nice to actually have a nice cocktail which isn't sort of too strong with the spirits, and just also just, you know, complements the vermouth. So yeah, very much recommended this. You definitely taste the oranges as well. So the oranges and lemon go really well together. Oh, absolutely amazing. So really hope you enjoy. Please do check out my playlist for other cocktails as well. I'm going to put in the ones where I use vermouths. So happy Friday everyone. Enjoy.